Hello, this is Kat for Blue Skies and Tamales, and today we are at the entrance of Chapultepec Park, like the main park in Mexico City. I'm just gonna show you the entrance, and we're gonna circle around the first roundabout so you can see. I'm running out of batteries, so the video won't be long. I'm sorry. So let's start the walk then. It's like 1:30 p.m. like 21 degrees Celsius, 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and it looks like a great day, to be honest. It's a Friday and just feels so chill and beautiful. In Spanish, this is called Bosque de Chapultepec, like Chapultepec Forest. Let's say it will be like the remainings of a forest in Mexico City. In Spanish, we have a way to say it, the lungs of the city. I think that's the same in English. It means that it's such an important nature area for the city, because it helps to so the plants can absorb the CO2 and they can generate oxygen and we can have a cleaner air. So it's very important. There are so many trees. People come here and have picnics. They come with their kids here just to enjoy. Also, something to notice is that at the top of the hill you can find a castle. It's not like the typical European castle. It's more, I would say, like a colonial style castle. And I'm not gonna enter the story now, but it has such a great importance because of the colonization of Mexico, and I'll explain to you when we visit the castle. But now you can find it here at the top of this hill, like here. So this would be like the first part of the entrance. There is another entrance over there that connects to the bus and metro station. There are some little gardens over here, but now we're gonna cross the bridge that passes over the Melchor Ocampo Avenue, or motorway, whatever you wanna call it, or highway. I think that's how people call it in the US. As you can see, it's so noisy. As you can see and hear, it's so noisy. It's like we say in Mexico, an artery of the city, because it connects one part of the city to the other in a high speed. I like how this beautiful avenue, which is Reforma, connects you to this park, to this part of the city. It just feels so different being here. It's like a break from all the noise and all the traffic and all the city life. It's like being in nature in the middle of the city. Also, we can find some pictures from the UNICEF. Let me show you more of the motorway. Yep. Now there's no traffic, but oh man, at night, on a Friday night, gets so crowded, so much traffic. One thing to notice is that this park is very big. I'll put the more info in the description, and it's so big that it has a zoo. It has a zoo, art museum, modern art museum, like National History Museum, and like a local museum. To mention some, there are so many things. I guess this would be like the Central Park of Mexico City. And yeah, why not? We're in Mexico. You can come and take a picture. This one here is the Modern Art Museum. I've been there a couple of times. Sometimes they have great exhibitions. Now we are in this like a monument that can lead you to many parts of the park. One way is the zoo, the other way is the museum, the other way is just the park. So it's like a great meeting point. And something interesting also is that when you are standing on here, you can see the Ángel de la Independencia, an important landmark. Oh no. An important landmark here in Mexico City. And the visual is just amazing. It just makes you feel like you are in the center of this big avenue, and in the middle of the city, but also in a forest. Well, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye. Next time I'll show you more of the park. This is just the entrance. Bye.